Paints and Glitter, and today I'm just coming to you with a very quick little project share. I've been working on some items for centerpieces that I'm going to be giving up for auction for a special event to promote the arts within education, which is something that I'm very, very proud to be partaking in. So in any case, I wanted to show you what I did, and because they're going to be Christmas theme items and I love poinsettias, I figured I should incorporate poinsettias into this project. And I went looking around and I didn't see any that really just called out to me and had the design that I was looking for. So what I did was that I designed my own in Silhouette Studio. This is what I came up with. And I did use my Cameo to cut these out, and this is just a sampling of what I made after I assembled them. And so I'm going to show you what I made with them, and here's one of them. And yes, I did paint them, I did assemble them one by one, and I added seed beads and sequins and that sort of thing. I wanted them to be nice and festive, and I did make the leaves as well. And then here, behind here, I actually added another little piece, decor piece there, using my Cricut. So for this particular item, which I did add a base to it here just to put it on the table, because I'm actually going to be putting this like so, with little lights inside. I did etch the border, as you can see there, and for that I used my Cricut. Here's another one, and this one, my friend Nati, who's a wonderful decorator and a party decorator, she showed me, well, she gave me a suggestion as to how to do the bow for this one, so I did follow her suggestion, and that's what I came up with on that. And then on the back I added 3 flowers there as a band, and some of these will have candies in them, others will have candles. So these are some taller ones, and I apologize for the background noise, my heat is kicking in. So these are also embossed, but as you can see I put a little candle, flameless candle in there, and I went with those just because these have, you know, paper on them and everything, and they're going to be wiped down, you know, cleaned off before I set them out, of course. I've been touching them, and you know, so the glass is not pristine right now. Now for this, as you can tell, that's not even finished yet. I'm just about done with those. For that, I didn't make these, obviously, but I wanted to add a little bit of greenery to that. But this is a bow that I made for that one, and I kept it quite simple, as you can tell, but I thought the ribbon was beautiful because it is that velvet, you know, it's got that velvet accent in it. I don't know, I forgot how to say that, but I did make some larger ones, and here's this one, and that one's got the swag of the 3 poinsettias going diagonally there with the bow, of course. And I did also etch these, but these are a little bit different because these have the leaves etched on them. So I did that one in the traditional colors, and then one that will be different will be this one, which is my favorite. Let me take that out of the way. And this one I absolutely love because I actually prefer the metallic colors in decorations, and this one has the leaves also, but this one has the white and golds and bronze and everything. So I really love this one. Now this one I made it with my Cricut, even though it's not a Cricut file for the flowers. So I also added little pine cones that I got during a walk with my family. I'm gonna have to get more pine cones though. Those are little itty bitty ones that I picked up at a park, and I was saving them for a different project, but I decided they looked really good on this. So yeah, I'm super excited about this, and I'm really happy to have been able to play around with the my Cameo and come up with some designs. And I just hope that this, you know, is motivating to you, that if you haven't started decorating for the season yet, that maybe you could, you know, make something pretty for a table, or for a special event. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, that it's been useful to you, and that you can be inspired and be blessed. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.